Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a postcard on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the event section you can find the postcard option. Select the template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photo section in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or add or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different graphic elements to your project, click to the object section, and here you can search elements, or for example, click to the ice cream and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animation, go to the animation section, and here you can search different animations, and in the video section you can search or upload videos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.